Hey y'all, what's up? If you've been keeping up lately, you seeing me make my liquid compost, make a stronger liquid. Watch me make a stronger liquid compost. Watch me start training plants hydroponically. Well, I guess you can say training. Basically, trying to reroot. Not sure exactly sure of the term. I'm only in year 2. Yeah, I'm still learning. Forgive me. But now I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try to train a plant without using equipment to be hydroponic from seed. As you know, I like to build, had the fun part of things. So, the motivation of what I'm making now and how I'm training it comes from the net cup. But I want to do it without using a rock wall. So, basically, how I'm going to do it. And then, yeah, I'll let you see when it's done. Just me starting to get an idea of it. Well, this part is the net cup. But I want to start it with a 50-50. 50% clay marble, 50% soil. So hey, I'll see y'all when it's done. As you see, it's clearly done now. I did this to mimic the net cut. Now like I was telling you the next step, it's thinking 50% clay marble. And the other 50% soil. And as far as the clay marble, I just put enough to cover where it's exposed at so the roots can come through. Alright, now the soil has been added. So like I said, my motivation behind this is the net cut. I'm hydroponically training this. So here you have it. 50-50 clay marble, soil. I'll be putting it in this. You'll see as it grows. And I won't be putting any water in there. There's no point. It's not even grown yet. It's not even ready to eat. Plus the soil is still moist from when I put my mixture in the soil. And the seed that I'll be starting this off with, banana pepper seed. We'll go ahead, put that in there. And everything else just going to take its course. Plus, if you're in the growing, you must remember one thing I had to learn. Label, label, label. So yeah, here you go. Hey, you have it. Just keep up along with the movement. Alright, so here you have it. It's 2 peppers that I've started hydroponically training. One is the banana pepper. One is the sweet chocolate pepper. If you want to know the history leading up to this plants, like what these other plants are, why they're here, all of that will be in the description. Down to the soil, what's in the soil, down to what I'm using for these to make them reroot. So yeah, definitely go in the description. It'll catch you up from what I've done up until now. Yeah, so, oh, and this is another one I tried the method on, but I did this one with a pineapple. This will be a gift for someone. I don't plan on keeping it. Like I said, I'm only in year 2, having fun with this. And also, before I go, just a little sneak peek. Not sure if you can see it. Green spot right there, a sprout. We'll see what it is soon. Most definitely. Stay tuned. Keep watching us.